Can you make pasta in tomato sauce using the Roccbox? We don't know.
So let's start our science experiment.
So we're gonna start by lighting up the Roccbox. We're gonna start with a pretty simple tomato sauce. We're gonna cut off some onion, some olive oil, and some basil.
Then we pour some olive oil onto this pan, and this is the one that my nonna makes.
And to the pan, we're gonna add our onion, and then we're gonna put it inside our Roccbox. After 4 minutes, it's sizzling away. Take it out, and we got our tomato sauce.
Don't touch the pan. Only touch it if you have gloves on. It's hot after it comes out.
Give it a mix. Add some basil for flavor, and this goes back into the Roccbox. After 5 minutes, this is cooked, and now is where the experiment begins. Salt. Our pasta go in, and so does water. Now we give it a mix, and we're gonna make sure that there's always enough water for it to be cooked. So every so often we take it out, we give it a mix, we add some water until it's fully cooked. And as we're approaching the ending, Isabella had the wonderful idea of adding some mozzarella. You have a little bite?
Yeah.
Here you go. One for me. One for the little guy. Here you go.
Yay.
One for mommy. So it took us about 15 minutes. And look at this. Now we're just gonna add mozzarella on top.
Mozzarella.
Of course. Then we're gonna put it back in.
It gets super cheesy.
Only a couple of minutes for the mozzarella to soften.
And once you get it out, it's super cheesy.
So we gotta close it out. Olive oil. Few leaves of basil. And this is ready to be eaten. And now let's taste this. Cheesy. Whoa. It's probably super hot. Have me blow. So good. You wanna try it?
Oh, I'm hungry.
Real taste too. Experiment?
A success.